The Unified Waqf Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development Portal, or UMEED, is a key initiative launched by the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India, with the objective of enhancing governance, transparency and accountability in the administration of Waqf properties across the country. UMEED Portal empowers users by offering a centralized digital platform to manage Waqf property data. This initiative is a significant step towards the modernization and streamlining of Waqf administration in India. Now, let's take a tour of the UMEED Portal. Firstly, open the web browser and go to the UMEED Portal. You will find the UMEED Portal homepage. Here, you can see various tabs like Home, About Us, Legislation Act, etc. Let's go to the About Us tab. About Us. The Waqf Amendment Act 2025 has come into effect from 8th April 2025, introducing a centralized digital portal for efficient Waqf property management. This portal serves as a single window system for registration, verification, legal tracking, and revenue monitoring. It ensures transparency, prevents data manipulation, and promotes accountability. A 3-tier maker, checker, approver mechanism guarantees data integrity. The system also enables online account filing, real-time audits, and public access to Waqf records, strengthening governance and trust. Now we will learn how to register on UMEED Portal. Now click on the Register or Sign In button to open the registration page. On this login page, click on New User or Register Here tab in order to register. Now select the category of the user from drop-down list appointed by. Once you select Mutawalli, fill the first name, middle name and last name, father's or husband's name. Click on the field box to select the date of birth from the calendar. The user must be of at least 21 years of age or more while registering. Select your gender from the available options in the drop-down. Select Yes or No based on your citizenship status. If no, fill in your nationality. Enter a valid 10-digit Indian mobile number. An OTP will be sent to this number for verification. Click Send OTP to receive OTP and click Verify OTP to verify. Enter a valid email address. This will be used for communication and verification. Click Send OTP to receive OTP and click Verify OTP to verify OTP. Choose your religion from the drop-down list. Only when you select your religion as Muslim, a field If Muslim Sect will appear. Choose the sect from the drop-down option list. Select your highest level of education and your current employment status. Now, fill in your permanent or current address. Select state, district, tehsil, village, LGD code. This LGD code associated with your village or locality will be auto-populated after your selection of village pin code, primary part of your residential address in address line 1, additional address details in 2 and 3. Please note, once the state is selected, it will be logged for the existing details and cannot be changed at the later stage. Choose the identity proof from drop-down you are submitting. Example, Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, etc. Click Choose File to upload PDF file of your selected identity proof. Choose the document from drop-down type you are using as address proof. Example, water bill or electricity bill. Click Choose File to upload PDF file of your selected address proof. Now, click Choose File to upload your recent passport size photo. Only JPEG, PNG, JPG formats are supported up to 2 MB size. To upload the official appointment letter, deed or Waqf board order, click here on Choose File. Only PDF files of up to 10 MB can be uploaded. Now, enter the CAPTCHA code. Click on Submit to submit and cancel to cancel. Once you submit, click on Yes, Proceed, and your registration is done. Stay tuned in for more such informative videos.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।